Mick Elliott from Electronic Specifier. I am on the Texas Instruments stand at Embedded World, and I'm joined by Vinay Agarwal, who is the Vice President for MSP Microcontrollers at Texas Instruments, and he's going to talk about some new products, new microcontrollers that Texas Instruments have launched at Embedded World today.
Thank you, Mick. So, exciting day for us. Today we announced our new family of MSP M0 microcontrollers based on ARM Cortex M0 Plus. So let me tell you a little bit about what is the biggest value add for this family. So really we'll focus on three key things. First is scalability of the portfolio. We're offering a family which has multiple options on the computation side, on the compute frequency. It offers a lot of peripherals on the digital side, on the analog side, many memory options, many package options. The rationale behind this scalability is when an embedded designer works on a design of a product or a product family or a platform, oftentimes they don't have their exact requirement in front of them. And during the design process, they want to be able to scale up or scale down for either for performance reasons or cost reasons. And that's why we want to give designers the choice to be able to do that during or after the design. And the scalability that we are offering with our portfolio perfectly meets that requirement from the embedded designers. So that's the big value add. The second piece is when designers work with microcontrollers, it's important for them to write software on it. Software is a big investment and something that people like to reuse. So keeping that requirement from our customers in mind, we want to make sure that our software is scalable across the different devices. We are also offering a complete suite of tools, software, SDK, the simple to use GUIs so that people can configure. We are integrating a lot of analog features on these, and we are offering very, very user-friendly tools so that people can be up and running in a matter of few hours, even if they do not have a prior microcontroller design experience. And that is key in current market when people are trying to get to design to market faster and faster. And last but not the least, when you have all of this, you can make a very good system, but it needs to be very economic from an overall affordability and cost perspective. And with this microcontroller family, we are very confident. We are building this internal from a manufacturing perspective, and the whole family is going to be very, very affordable for a broad set of end equipments.
How many devices are there in the family?
So right now, we are releasing a few dozen devices, but over the course of the year, we have plans to release more than 100 devices, and this is an ongoing investment. So we'll continue to make sure we are releasing more and more devices.
I guess one of the comfort factors for customers as well is that obviously recently Texas Instruments has been announcing investment in manufacturing, and I guess on that point, microcontrollers you can manufacture, and if it's scalability, you can scale the process to meet demand from customers as you add to this particular family of microcontrollers?
Absolutely. So manufacturing continues to be a key focus areas for TI. One of our biggest focus areas is to invest in 300 millimeter wafer manufacturing, because we want to make sure that we can serve the needs of our customers for decades to come. And when we build these microcontrollers, both from a supply as well as from a cost perspective, it makes sense for us to manufacture them internally, and that's the big focus of this investment as well.
You say they're general purpose, that means they can cover a broad range of applications?
Oh, absolutely. The nature of this family of microcontrollers is very, very catalog. What I mean by that is they can be used from a broad range of applications, industrial to automotive. I mean, think of yourself as a normal day-to-day life. You wake up in the morning, brush your teeth, there's a microcontroller inside. You walk out into the kitchen area, your appliances have microcontrollers. You're making a coffee, the coffee maker has a microcontroller. Walking around the house, your smart home systems, your doorbells, and you walk into a car and you sit in the car, the seats, the steering wheel, every place in the car you interact with, they have microcontrollers. You walk into a workplace, there's microcontroller, whether in a manufacturing environment. We are surrounded by electronics, and the significance of electronics in our industry in our life is increasing. Microcontrollers at a general level are the brain of every electronics, so you can imagine as electronics grows around us, the need for these microcontrollers will continue to grow, and that's why I'm very excited about this investment.
And development kits are available to support these microcontrollers?
Absolutely. All the development kits are available on ti.com/MSPM0. We strongly encourage you guys to go and check out our webpage. We have tools, development kits, software, drivers, the whole suite is available on that.
Vinay Agarwal from Texas Instruments, thank you very much.
Thank you.